Results of the May 4th election are in. Jazz is coming back to Downtown Garland, and an update on GP&L's LED streetlight replacement program. It's what's happening this week in Garland. Hello everyone, I'm Saul Garza. Garland voters cast their ballots for mayor, 4 city council representatives, and 8 bond propositions. Voters elected Scott LeMay as mayor, Dylan Hedrick for District 7, and Robert John Smith for District 8. All 3 ran unopposed. Voters re-elected District 3 council member Jerry Nickerson and Robert Vera for District 6. Voters approved 8 bond propositions as well. See the complete results at garlandtx.gov. Dallas County election officials want to know what you think about plans to overhaul its election day voting system by changing from precinct to county-wide vote centers. Learn about the change and provide input at the first of 3 meetings from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. on Thursday, May 9th at the Dallas County Road and Bridge office. That's located at 715 Rowlett Road. Learn more at dallascountyvotes.org. Experience a laid-back, relaxing evening in historic downtown Garland while soaking in the soothing sounds of jazz. Jazz in the Square returns at 7 p.m. on May 16th and 23rd. Bring your chairs, blankets, and picnic basket for this cool jazz series. This free event is sure to be fun for the entire family. Learn more at garlandparks.com. GP&L's 7-year project to convert city-owned streetlights to LEDs is on track. 4 years in, more than half of the city's 16,000 streetlights have been replaced. The new fixtures reduce energy consumption by 70%, they last longer, and provide better lighting. Learn more about the project at gpnltexas.org. If you're looking for a pet, well, now is a great time. Our animal shelter has $15 adoptions through the end of May. You can check out dogs and cats available for adoption in our Pets of the Week video at garlandanimalservices.org. As always, you can keep up with more Garland stories, events, activities on social media. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Nextdoor. You can also subscribe to our weekly Garland City press briefs at garlandtx.gov and just click on the e-news link. For This Week in Garland, I'm Saul Garza.